Welcome back. My name is Carla Calderon for those who don't know me, and today I am taking you on a step-by-step tutorial of what to do after you are hired with VipKid. So here we go. Once you receive your congratulations email, then make sure that you log into VipKid and then you will see this. Make sure that you click on where it says click here. Then that will take you to this screen in which it tells you that you are certified to teach whatever level you passed. You will click on review and then that will take you to the next steps. These are the steps: account information, bank, and tax form. In account information, you need 3 pictures. One for your profile photo, which it should be only you in the picture, and the other 2, it could be with your friends, family, or pets. For your intro video, it should be 7 seconds long. I am leaving an example of what my intro video looks like. Now remember that this intro video will be seen by all VIP kids and also parents. So this will define if they pick you as their teacher or not. So make sure that you make it a bit more entertaining than mine, which I'm thinking of making a new one as soon as I can. As you scroll down, you will see this part that says about me, your personal information, which as y'all can see, I'm not sharing my information. In the about me part, that is something that the parents and the students will be able to see. So make sure that you talk as much as you can about yourself in simple English. Scrolling down, you will need your educational background, which they ask you for your diplomas and all those things. Scrolling down again, they are asking you now for your teaching certificate and a little bit of extra info. We are almost done with this section, I promise. You need to scroll again, and this is your teaching experience, and this is the last scroll for your account information. And here you just put in your contact information, and there they give you your referral link, which I'm leaving mine up here in case you'll want to use mine. Okay, so now step 2, which is your bank information. I was able to get this in 2 screenshots, so here we go. This is just your bank and ID information. This is the third and last step, in which you will have to download the W9 form and then fill it out and make sure that you sign it and just fill out the rest of this information. Basically, these are the 3 steps you need to take, because then you have to check under contract and agreement, your background check, and your contract. Because once your background check goes through, then your contract will be available for you to sign, and this takes about 2 days as soon as you finish the first 3 steps that I told you. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to share this with future VIP teachers, and also don't forget to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and to click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.